Hi, I'm Danny, the founder of HOKO. HOKO is a turnkey home remodeling service. I started HOKO with the ambition to create a perfect client experience for anyone looking to extend or alter their home. Since our launch in 2019, we've grown from a small Glasgow firm to employ 30 people, operating throughout the UK from Inverness to Brighton. In 2020, we launched in London, Bristol and Birmingham. In 2021, we launched in Edinburgh and Stirling, Brighton and Inverness. We are helping hundreds of people improve their homes. In the last 12 months, our client acquisition has increased by 970%, with a 500% increase in revenue, and we've won a Best of House Service Award. We're building HOKO brick by brick, and this is your opportunity to join in our journey. The money raised through Crowdcube will allow us to accelerate our growth by employing more architects, extending our reach across the UK. We are focused exclusively on extensions and home alterations in a UK market expected to hit 47 billion in 2021. If you want to improve your home, you'll need an architect. But can you think of one? Our business model empowers our architects to do what they do best: spend time with clients, emotionally invest in projects, and design. This is their best work. Our system and platform completely unburden the architect, increasing their capacity. We employ every architect, and this ensures they align with our mission. To gain a truly perfect experience, we launched HOKO Build. This means we now build the projects we design through carefully chosen partnerships with local contractors. But the cherry on top is HOKOSHOP. HOKOSHOP is our free interior design service, with chosen suppliers from all around the country that match quality with value. Our interior designers create a bespoke proposal for our clients and build this into the cost plan, saving endless legwork going from showroom to showroom. We're ready to capitalise on our traction and make HOKO the first household name for residential architecture. This is your opportunity to join in our mission as we strive to create a perfect client experience.